Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Lowe's after Christmas sale and some of the January deals. So let's dive in. So I just want to show you guys they have removed all of their Christmas setup here at Lowe's, and they have started out with a few of these other deals. You can see some of these bins on sale for about $8. We've seen these on sale at a couple different places and a couple different times, but really good deals, again, if you're going to be needing any storage items or starting to pack stuff up for Christmas. With spring just around the corner, we have the weed and grass killer. You can see this on clearance. So if you need to go ahead and stock up on this before the spring gets here, definitely a great thing to go ahead and check out right there. Again, we have another option here for some more snap spray and weed and grass killer as well. So you can see a bunch of these deals on a lot of those. You can grab some more. They also have, again, more storage items. You can see this right here for your garage or your shop. Good price on that one. So again, if you're going to needing some storage options, I know a lot of people are making room and cleaning out for the springtime. This is a great time to go ahead and do all of that. Also, like this other storage option here for your closed items, again, you can put tools or different things in that and whatever you might be needing. And then here's another one for your garage as well. $70 for the little bit smaller shelf. Again, you can only see that one of those items can fit on there, but still solid deal for that one. Some of the larger totes right here for $18. Again, great things for that. Just remember, if you do store a lot of items in here, you make sure it's not super heavy so you can move it. We've had that problem before. They also had the Blackstone on sale. You can see this is the 36-inch with a cabinet for $450. So again, Blackstone's a lot of fun. You can see this is a really cool item. I really like this one. My friend has this one, and there's so many different features and functions for this one. It's really nice. But you can see the full setup right here. Another video of it, another shot of that. We got the warming drawer and different things all over the side. I just have the basic setup, but I really like that one as well. Then we also have the Oklahoma Joe here, smoker for $350. This one is on clearance. So again, if you didn't get that smoker or if you didn't get that grill that you really wanted for Christmas, you can definitely come over here and grab this one. They had a lot of their just other like house decor on sale. You see this $50 off of this little setup for your bathroom. Great thing for a little limited type deal to do some upgrades. They also had 35% off select major appliances. We did see this around Christmas and the holidays, but they still have a bunch of these deals going on right now. So if you're interested, definitely go and snag one of these. $150 off of this little dual setup there. So again, another great set for your bathroom, whatever you might be needing. If you're doing little renovations, you can check those out. Again, I really like these, especially when you're trying to do some upgrades. Even DIY stuff is a great one. Another vanity here for $150. You'd save about $25-30 on that one. I do love to come back here to the back, check out their value section at 75% off. A lot of times when they're done with the stuff up front, they will bring it back here to the back. You can see all the items. Again, they have door handles. They even have signs and stuff like that. My wife would probably grab that one for the house. She might have already grabbed it. And then we have, again, just a bunch of other items like that. So you never know what you're going to find back here, but you can always check and see what might be available. If you don't really care about the certain scents, they always have these little Febreze options back there, kind of from the last season. So you can check those out, save you a little bit of money. But more Christmas items and stuff like that, and even lights and those things. So again, you can always check out and get some good deals. And again, maybe even get some smells for the house. But I always swing back by here when I'm in Lowe's, because you just never know. Again, I've gotten some good deals on power tools and also good deals on just random stuff throughout my house as well. Here are a few more of the up to 75% off deals. Got some gloves getting you prepped for the springtime. Grab some of those. And a couple other items like that. Little metal twist nozzle for your garden hose. I always see these fans as well, so if you're always looking for a fan for whatever, you can check those out. And more kind of spring or fall stuff in here. So again, you can always grab some to set up for what's coming up next. Always a great thing to check out. and then more of these gloves and even other stuff like that for your vanity or those type things with lights and stuff. So you can always check them out, see what's available in yours. Let me know in the comments if you guys have ever gotten anything great out of the section like that in the back, little clearance section. We also have a watering wand, 11 bucks there, good deal. Have some keypads here down to about like 130s and to the 150s. So if you need a little keypad, you can come and check out some of these deals. Pretty good prices on those. See which ones you might need. And they have some Klein tools. Some of these are still on like the limited time deals. They're not the Black Friday or Christmas deals, but they still have some of these limited time deals. So if you need some of those, you can grab them. You can see if there's anything that's available that you might need, definitely check those out. Klein's a great price and definitely going to do a great job for you right there. And they also have this set up right here for Craftsman. We've shown you guys these deals in the last few videos, so you can check those out. We got a couple other deals on these spider bits. Check some of those out in the spade bits there. Pretty good brand. Have some of these DeWalt deals. You get your choice again on some of these heavier duty tools here. So good prices on those, good deals right there. Everyone needs a shop vac, $129 here for the shop vac. So again, another great price for that. I do think that $6.99 is for the miter saw right next to it, but still get to save about 20 bucks. So solid deal with that one. Another deal right here for the miter saw, you get $3.69. So saving 30 bucks on that. So again, if you're already planning on buying one, you can definitely save a little bit of money. You got member rewards here for some of these blades for DeWalt, for the recip saws. And again, down here is just another look at those. So you get, as a member, you do get $5 off of that. Another set right here for the miter saw, little chop saw, down 80 bucks on that one. And excuse me, that's actually the table saw down to $3.50. So again, solid deal right there for DeWalt. Got some Craftsman deals. Get some again of these filters here. So get to save about 10 bucks on some of these. So again, always great to have a shop vac. Need it a lot of times, more than you would think. And then we also have some storage rail systems here on sale for 85 bucks. Get to save a little bit on those as well. So pretty good deals here for some storage options at your local Lowe's. Pretty good deals going on right now at your local Lowe's. Let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing, or if you got some really good deals over the holidays at your local Lowe's. I'd like to know that. Also, if this video is helpful, let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.